Looking to upgrade your doors without the hassle of damaging frames or jambs? The HingeMate150 kit makes installing 3 and 3/5 hinges simple and precise. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a DIY enthusiast, this tool delivers clean, professional results every time. What sets the HingeMate150 apart is its durable steel template frame, designed for quick and easy template swaps. It fits most door sizes and can be mounted on both the door and jamb, giving you flexibility on any project. Plus, the included 1/2 ball bearing guided router bit removes the need for additional bushings, streamlining your workflow. The router bit itself is tungsten carbide tipped, ensuring long-lasting sharpness and smooth cuts. This means less downtime changing blades and more focus on getting the job done right. With templates for both 3 and 3/5 hinges, you can switch between sizes effortlessly, even adjusting the template to achieve either a 5/8 or 1/4 radius for exact fits. Installation is straightforward. The kit includes 2 wood screws to secure the template firmly in place, so your cuts stay accurate without slipping. This attention to detail helps you create secure mortises that improve door alignment, security, and privacy in your home. I personally found the setup quick and user-friendly. Swapping templates was hassle-free, and the router bit performed flawlessly. The design shows real thoughtfulness, balancing durability with ease of use. It's a tool that gets the job done without breaking the bank. If you're ready to take on door hinge installation with confidence and precision, the HingeMate150 is worth a look. It saves time, reduces errors, and delivers professional-grade results that hold up over time. Try the HingeMate150 when you're ready to upgrade your doors without the usual mess. It's a smart investment for anyone who values quality, efficiency, and a clean finish every time.